As a lady, do you know that the size of your labia majora is going to reduce as you age? Hi, I'm Nuzo Wate, and welcome to Nuzo Wate Talks, a space where we talk about the female body without myth, shame, or fear. If you have always needed a space where you can have honest conversations about the female body and womanhood and all the things no one taught you about your body growing, then you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We would love it here. Today, we'll be talking about the labia majora, the meaning, its structure, and function. And then we'll move over to debunking some myths about the labia majora. We want to stay to the end of this video because who knows, you must have been lied to one way or the other about your body. And maybe you're feeling uncomfortable about it already. As we all know, the anatomical name for the area of the external genitalia in the female is called vulva. The vulva has several structures which surround the entrance to the vagina, each of which has its own function. Now, the size of the labia majora varies considerably, and here is why. In infancy and in old age, the labia majora is not fully developed. Here, there is not much fat present. Like I said in the definition, the labia majora are two large folds of skin which contain sweat glands and hair follicles embedded in fat. While in the reproductive years, that is between puberty and menopause, the size of the labia majora is fully formed because the fatty tissues are present. Do I have the answer to your question now? Stay with me, don't go anywhere. Let's look at the function of the labia majora. Before we go into the functions of the labia majora, let's talk about a very important part. When a lady is standing in front of you, looked at from between the legs, you'd observe that the labia majora are joined together in a pad of fat, which is called the mons veneris, also known as mount of Venus. This pad of fat helps with different functions, and it is very, very important. Moving over to the functions of the labia majora. The labia majora serves the function of protection. It covers and protects the vaginal opening, urethra, and clitoris. It also shields the internal genital organs from injury. It also serves the function of barrier against infection. It helps to reduce exposure to bacteria, dirt, and irritants. The pubic hair on the labia majora traps particles and reduces friction. It also serves for cushion and support. It protects against pressure during sitting, walking, exercise, and sexual activity. It also helps with temperature and moisture regulation. It plays a vital role in sexual arousal. It is rich in blood vessels and nerve endings and may swell and become sensitive during sexual activity and arousal. Let's move over to debunking myths. The number one myth is large size labia majora means a woman is promiscuous. That is not true. The size of a woman's labia majora has got nothing to do with her sexual activity. It is affected by several factors. For example, we have genetics. Hormonal changes are seen in pregnancy and puberty, natural fat distribution, and age. Sex does not stretch the labia majora permanently. Myth number two, small labia majora is more cleaner. That is not true. There is no standard to how the vulva should look like. There is no standard to how the labia majora should look like. So if you have a larger size labia majora, it does not mean that you're dirty. And if social media did not show you that, porn definitely lied to you. The myth is dark labia majora means a woman is dirty. That is not true. Darkening is normal and is influenced by hormones and skin type. It has nothing to do with hygiene. Another myth, this one is very funny. Labia majora must be symmetrical to be normal. Asymmetry is normal, just like we have the breast, the eyebrows, even our hands. Labia Majora are really identical on both sides, and it's completely okay. Last myth is very sensitive, and I want you to please understand with me. Okay, creams, herbs, or tightening products can change the size or shape of the labia majora. That is not true. No topical products can alter the structure of the labia majora. Instead, these products can even result to burns, infections, and scarring. So please, let's not try so hard to change how we look. The labia majora vary naturally, function normally, and are not indicators of sexual activities, hygiene, or growth. So if you've been made to feel or believe that something is wrong with you because your vagina or your labia majora does not look like the other ladies, then my love, you have been deceived. Everyone must not be the same. Does it have all the structures we've mentioned? Then there is nothing wrong with you. If you have learned something so far, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. Thank you. And also, if you have questions that you'd want to ask or contributions to make, do not forget to drop it on the comment section. I am looking forward to learning from you too. Thank you for staying with me. I am Nuzowate, and this is Nuzowate Talks, where we talk about the female body without shame, myth, or fear. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.